Now the news in detail. Our primary goal is to prepare students for the opportunities offered by learning a new language. And Connect Japanese is starting its first classes on June 24, 2014. That course director, Mr. Masahiro Monai, addressing a press meet at the Press Club Patrika Bhavan in Mangaluru on Monday the 26th.
Addressing the press, Mr. Masahiro Monai said Connect Japanese is a language and cultural center which aims to promote Japanese language and culture in and around Mangalore. The first class is starting on June 24, 2014. Our primary goal is to prepare students for the opportunities offered by learning a new language. Connect Japanese is the first institute in Mangaluru to provide Japanese language courses. It symbolizes the growing interest in mutual cultural ties between Japan and India. Japan, being one of the largest economies of the world, has attracted many Indian business persons, tourists, engineering and medical students. Familiar names like Sony, Toshiba, Sanyo, Casio, Canon, Minolta, Honda, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Suzuki and many others have presence in India for years, creating a lot of demand for Japanese language. From anime to sushi bars, karaoke to manga, bonsai to origami, Japanese culture has become a part of international culture. Knowing of the language will give you the direct access to Japanese film, animation and comic books, giving you an insight into the special terminology used in your favorite material art and truly help you understand and appreciate the culture.
Japanese language is easy. Once the script is learning Japanese is. The only challenge after learning the three kinds of Japanese script is hiragana, katakana, kanji. While we teaching using the Japanese textbook, exchange commercially available, and I also have preparing original text for our students. We have designed the syllabus according Japanese Embassy JLPT exam. We plan to make it more interactive and center around Japanese culture and custom so that they can learn better. We use recent Japanese news, music, anime, etc. In JLPT, there are 5 levels. We start with beginner level in Connect Japanese. If you want to join Japanese company or school or college, you must need to JLPT exam application. Our school first target is after course, students will become possible to read and write Japanese. They will be able to get to know more deeply Japanese culture from there. Of course, we think that all our students will pass JLPT N5 level.
Sushi is a hand-rolled sushi. We at Connect Japanese will have many cultural events like Japanese cooking classes, calligraphy classes, Japanese movie screening, Japan Hapa, etc. And we held Japanese workshop at City Center Mall last April. We put on kimono and danced Japanese famous dance, displayed calligraphy artwork, and we offered free sample of Japanese sweets. That exhibition was a great success. We hope that we help many Indians to know Japanese culture.
Lakis D'Souza, the founder, Fumika Monai and others were present at the press meet.
Lan Vasankundar had organized Mary Hours, the musical night of Tulu Kannada and Hindi songs at the town hall on Saturday 24th of May. District Governor of Lands Mr. 3170, PMK Plan KC Prabhu inaugurated the musical night together with other prominent personalities.
Lan Vasankundar had organized Mary Hours, the musical night of Tulu Kannada and Hindi songs at the town hall on Saturday 24th of May. District Governor of Lands District 3170, PMJ Plan KC Prabhu inaugurated the musical night together with the prominent personalities. The program started with a prayer. Chancellor of International District 3170, Cabinet Secretary MJ Plan MC Shetty welcomed the gathering.
ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಕೆ.ಸಿ. ಪ್ರಭು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಇಂತಹ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವ ಸದಾನಂದ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಯವರು ಇಂದು ಈ ಸಭೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಕಲಾವಿದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಪರಾಧಿಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ಕಿರೀಟ ತೊಡಿಸಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸದಾನಂದ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಯವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Flowers were presented to the guests by Lion Vasant Kundar and Chitra Kundar.
ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ. ಸದಾನಂದ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿ. ರತ್ನಾಕರ್ ಪುತ್ರನವರಿಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವರು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮುರಳೀದಾಸ್ MS ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಳ್ಳಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
PNG of Land K.C. Prabhu, the District Governor of Lands District of 3170, together with other guests, inaugurated the musical night by lighting the lamp and delivered his inaugural address.
ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಗೀತ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈನ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಈ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದೇವರ ಬಳಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸುಮಾರು 1960ರಿಂದ 1980-82ರವರೆಗಿನ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ, ಈ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ ಗಾಯಕರು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಫಿ, ಲತಾ ಮಂಗೇಶ್ಕರ್, ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಆಶಾ ಭೋಸ್ಲೆ, ಮನ್ನಾಡೆ, ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಗಾಯಕರು ಈ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯುವವರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಂಯೋಜಿಸುವವರು, ಇದೊಂದು ಸುವರ್ಣ ಯುಗವಾಗಿದೆ.
The chief guest, Mr. Ratnakar Putran, spoke on the occasion.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು 4 ಜನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಇವರು ನಮಗೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ದಿನಾಂಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಹೇಳುವ ಅದೊಂದು ಅವರದೊಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಠ, ಅವರ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಕರೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವ ರೀತಿ ಬಹಳ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇವರು ಆ ಪದ್ಯದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾನವಿಲ್ಲ ಸಂಗೀತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಸಂಗೀತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಲವು, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸೆ, ಅದರದ್ದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುವಂತೆ ನಾನು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈ ರೂಪಾಂತರ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಅಂಗ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಫಿ, ಮನ್ನಾಡೆ, ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 2 ಹೋದವ್ರೆ ಇಂಚಿನ ಬುಕ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಮನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಲಾವಿದರ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದೊಂದು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಬುದ್ಧವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾವಂತಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಂಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ.
Mr. Sadanand Shetty, the chairperson of Sridevi Education Institutions, addressed the gathering, remembering the olden days of Vasant Kundar.
ವಸಂತ್ ಕುಂದರ್ ಅವರು ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ವಸಂತ್ ಕುಂದರ್ ಹೇಳುವವರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಅವರು ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಮನರಂಜಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Lions coordinator, Lions Ashat Chandra Mohan and other guests were recognized with flowers.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಸಂತ್ ಕುಂದರ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಪುಸ್ತಕ.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Times.
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
18 February 1924, a day started to create history and wave in the banking industry. Karnataka Bank was born. Many prominent personalities served as directors, but Mr. Suryanarayan Adiga ruled successfully for several years. The whole family bank was declared as one of the most customer-friendly banks by Consumer Forum and the Ministry of Customer Affairs. Over 464 plus branches, 8 regional offices, over 200 plus ATMs and over 4,500 plus dedicated staff offers the best rate of interest, especially for the senior citizens. Come, let's listen to what the CEO and MD Mr. Jairam Bhatt has got to say.
Karnataka Bank is your family bank.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi, from a single dispensary to a super specialty hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan and MRI machines. The operation theatres are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis and mammography.
The management of staff of Arena Animation and organized the Carnival Fest Color Splash Drawing Competition and Animation Expo on 24th of May 2014 Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Hotel Motimal in Mangalore.
The management and staff of Arena Animation and organized the Carnival Fest Color Splash Drawing Competition and Animation Expo on 24th May 2014 Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Hotel Moti Mahal in Mangalore. Center Director of Aptech Education Mr. Rudresh briefed and welcomed the gathering. Mr. Sadhana Shetty, together with other guests, inaugurated the program by lighting the lamp and delivered his inaugural address.
ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೂಡ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಉದ್ಯೋಗದ ಅವಕಾಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅನುದಾನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The chief guest DGM of Corporation Bank, Mr. D.M. Mujumdar, spoke on the occasion.
That I was holding up so many people in the roads. And there are so many details normally when I was constantly employed in a competition like this. So any other teachers who come to it, he just put in present and a few hours ago I was thinking, of course, being a banker and producing a working day, half day, we have a commitment, but that's not an excuse for holding up so many people. I was there for that. Can I add that is a well-known name in computers or the creative things and all that. And as youngsters should know, the word belongs to ideas.
Another guest, Mr. Sitesh C. Govind, also addressed the gathering.
Things to give life to, and this is where creativity is born. And creativity is an endless source which gives ideas to animals. I don't want to explain animals in detail. Whatever is done should be done with heart and soul, which will indeed make us reach the desired destiny.
Mementos were presented to the guests. Area Sales Head, Arena, Mr. Vinod proposed the vote of thanks. Later, Mr. Asif and Mrs. Prajwal Shetty spoke to Coastal Times.
This is the third time we are doing same thing in Kochi. But it's really awareness to the Mangalore students about like young students and children also. We have seen already. Many children are there. So it's one type of creativeness we want to make them good. It's an opportunity for them, and it's as part of it's a career they can think about. The scope is there. Therefore, we have given a seminar also.
Animation has done a very good thing also towards our downstream, getting up throughout in the advertisement company as well. If you have got any message to the people, especially the students?
No. Certainly, animation there is a scope in not only Bollywood. International, we can tell Hollywood and Bollywood have many movies, many such VFX. We tell about VFX. There's the opportunity is more in national level, international level, not only state level, Kannada movie and like a Telugu movie, many VFX started. Therefore, there's the opportunity is more in this field.
Arena since 15 years, we are in Mangalore. We have a head office in Bombay. We have 250 centers all over India and abroad. Every year, since 15 years, around 8,000 students, they pass out in our Arena institution. We are helping our students in the placement sector also. Because our students who completed course in our Arena institution, they are working in all IT industries, like in animation industries, like a film industry, corporate level. They have a very good, huge job opportunities are there, our students.
You have got any message to the students?
Animation, now when you are seeing the placement sector in the job portal, animation, there is a very good huge job opportunities are there, like a film industry, corporate level, in news agency, many ways, there is a certain opportunities are there. So I feel that animation is one of the best job opportunities in job portal.
Hi, this is Nisha Kothari and you are watching Coastal Times English News.
Mr. Prasad, now you are alright. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಅದು ಈ ಸಿಟಿಲಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಾ?
2 ಎಕರೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಾದ ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲೇ, ಕುಲಶೇಖರ ಚೌಕಿಲಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಥ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ.
ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ backed Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, first floor Netravati Complex, Red Building near Garodi Temple, Mangalore. For booking and more details, call 890-400-1234. Our website is www.propertydealindia.com. Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, the professional real estate consultants.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಎಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ. ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಭಾಷೆ, ಧರ್ಮ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. ಆದರೆ ಚಿನ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ ಕೈಲಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿನ್ನ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಜೋ ಸಲುಕ, ಚಿನ್ನದಂತಹ ಸಂಬಂಧ.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Crossroad, Vijay, Mangalore.
Tejaswini Hospital and SSIOT and ISO 9001-2008 certified Shantram Shetty Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, 200-bedded hospital established in 2004. Specialized in neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, urology, plastic surgery, vascular surgery, has 4 ultra-unique laminar floor operation theatres which blows virus and bacteria. SSIOT, with the expertise of 38 years of Dr. Shantram Shetty, not only treats patients but also is fully fledged for accident and emergency treatment with experts in the field. SSIOT is a place for advanced technology of any joint replacement of the body. Tejaswini Hospital, Kadri Temple Road, Kadri, Mangalore. Telephone 222-5777, 222-5994, 95, 96 and 97.
No party is complete without chicken. The only rich food with complete nutrition. Safe nutrition, hygienic. Soza Chicken. The breeding is taken care of by state-of-the-art technology. From hatching, packing, transporting, dressing and delivery. We supply as per your requirement and quantity. Remember, if it's chicken, it's Soza Chicken. The best place to order. Visit us. Soza Chicken, Kushekar Kaikamba, Mangalore. Mobile 944-8284-203.
Apurva Mali and Anjana Mali both have created a record as junior magicians and have got themselves entered in the India Book of Records. Then Mr. Rajesh Mali, the proud father of the Wizard Kids, addressing a press meet at the Press Club, Patrika Bhavan in Mangalore.
Apurva Mali and Anjali Mali both have created a record as junior magicians and have got themselves entered in India Book of Records. Said Mr. Rajesh Mali, the proud father of the Wizard Kids, addressing a press meet at the Press Club, Patrika Bhavan in Mangalore. He said, Apurva Mali, born on July 14, 2006, entered the world of magic at the age of 1.5 years in the name and style of Apurva Jadu, and so far performed 400 magic shows across Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra as on April 18, 2014. And Anjani Mali, born on January 16, 2008, entered the world of magic at the age of 1.5 years also, and so far performed 300 magic shows across Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa and Orissa as on April 18, 2014. And now Apurva has entered the India Book of Records as youngest sleight of hand magician, and Anjali Mali has entered India Book of Records as youngest illusionist. Magician Kudroli Ganesh and principal of their school, Mrs. Joy Roy, also spoke on the occasion. The children performed some magic tricks.
The second one is India Book of Records ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ದಾಖಲಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇರುವಂತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಇನ್ 2 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಮರಿಗೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕಿರಿಯ ಕೈಕರ್ತರ ಜಾದೂಗಾರ. ಕೈಕರ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟಕರವಾದಂತಹ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ರಮ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸು, ಅದೇ 7 ವರ್ಷ ಇವರಿಗೆ. ಈ 7 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಇಡೀ ಜನರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಕರ್ತ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಹುಡುಗಿಯಿಂದ ಅಂತ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕಲಿ ಇಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಭಾಗ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಲಕರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸುವುದು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಯ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ಜಾದುಗಳ ಒಂದು ವಿಭಾಗ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಇಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕಿರಿಯ ಜಾದುಗಾರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅಂಜನಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ.
When Anjana joined class 1 and Apurva joined class 2. They are wonderful students. When they came to school, I had my summer camp on and they did the magic act for the inaugural program. And ever since then, they have always been into magic. They have gone to various competitions, have brought many laurels and have added a lot of fame to my school. Apart from being magicians, they are wonderful in academics also.
National Vishwakarma Forum congratulated the Prime Minister designate Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP for the greatest victory in the 16th Lok Sabha elections and also newly elected members of Parliament. Informed Vice Chairperson in a press release. That's all for now. We'll be back with more news on the same channel at the same time. Till then, from all of us, bye.